How to delete Google Maps history on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to delete Google Maps history on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch Google Maps application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. From the home page, tap on the profile icon at top right corner. Now simply you need to navigate to Settings option. Scroll down, tap on Maps History. Once you land on this section, tap on Delete option at the right corner of your screen. From this drop-down menu box, select Delete All Time. Now you need to confirm your deletion and tap on Delete at bottom right corner of your screen. And tap on Got It. Your deletion process has been completed. With this, you will successfully delete Google Maps history on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.